In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Jira issue as a duplicate. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just starting out with project management, understanding how to manage and organize issues efficiently is essential. And sometimes in the hustle and bustle of team collaboration, duplicate issues can pop up. Fortunately, Jira makes it relatively straightforward to identify and mark these duplicates, helping you maintain a clean and uncluttered workspace. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and get your Jira issues tidied up. To start off, you want to navigate to the Your Work section of Jira. This is your main dashboard where you can access all of your assigned tasks and projects. By clicking on Your Work, you'll have a comprehensive view of everything you're currently involved in. It's like a personal to-do list that keeps you on top of what's important. This is often the starting point for managing your tasks and, in our case, finding the project where the duplicate issue is stored. Next, you'll need to select the project that contains the issues you're looking to manage. Projects in Jira are essentially containers for your issues. This is where you'll see your backlogs, sprints, and other task organizational tools. Identify the project where you suspect duplicate issues might be lurking. Having everything sorted by project will save you time, as it allows you to focus on relevant tasks without the distraction of unrelated issues. Once you've selected your project, your next stop is the backlog. The backlog is essentially a holding area for tasks that are yet to be started. It's where the planning begins, and getting familiar with it is crucial for effective project management. By clicking on the backlog, you'll be presented with a list of tasks or issues that are awaiting action. The benefit of working from the backlog is that you can view issues at a glance and decide on their priority, or whether they need to be linked to another issue, such as when identifying duplicates. With the backlog open, you should now select the specific issue you suspect is a duplicate. Click on the issue to view its details. This will open up a detailed view showing all pertinent information about the issue, such as the description, status, and any comments. By thoroughly reviewing this information, you can confirm whether or not this issue is indeed a duplicate of another. Now that you have confirmed that it is a duplicate, the next step involves clicking on Add to create an association. This is the part where you start organizing and linking your tasks. By adding links, you're essentially cross-referencing issues, which can be incredibly useful when multiple team members are working on interconnected tasks. Linking also improves transparency, allowing anyone viewing the issue to understand its context in relation to others. After hitting Add, look for the option to click on Linked Issue. This is a critical step in noting that an issue should not stand alone, but is in fact related to another. When you select this option, Jira will prompt you to specify the nature of the relationship between the issues, such as marking it as a duplicate. This clarity helps ensure the issue's resolution is handled properly without unnecessary rework. Once presented with the field to type, here's your cue to enter the issue identifier for the duplicate. If you've named it something like clone, type this in. The autocomplete feature in Jira should assist by quickly showing results as you type, making your job a bit easier. The key is entering the exact title or ID of the issue to ensure the correct linkage. Be precise at this step to avoid any mix-up. With the potential duplicates displayed, click on the specific one you want to mark as the duplicate. This will link the issue you've been working on with its counterpart. By doing so, you're officially marking this task to be a duplicate, which can then be addressed accordingly, either through merging, closing, or taking other appropriate actions as your workflow dictates. Finally, confirm your action by clicking on Link. This finalizes the association between the issues. Completing this step ensures that everyone who views the issue knows it's a duplicate and acts accordingly. Having this mark on the issue simplifies triage and prioritization, as it keeps issues organized and reduces clutter, reflecting well on your team's workflow and efficiency. By following these instructions, you now have a clean and clear method for marking duplicate issues in Jira, improving not only your personal workflow but also the collaborative efforts of your team. It's all about keeping things efficient and transparent. So take these insights and implement them in your project management routine to ensure your tasks are streamlined and perfectly organized. That's all for today's session. Thank you for joining, and I hope this guide on marking Jira issues as duplicates helps you manage your workflows more effectively. Let us know in the comments if there are other Jira features you'd like us to cover. Happy task managing, and see you in the next video.